Hi class, today we're going to be looking at Unit 2, Section 4.4 in our textbook called Solving Proportions. When we finish this, we should be able to solve proportions using unit rate and cross products. We've already been doing this, so really this is just a review of what we did in Unit 1. All this section is telling us to do is to try and solve proportions in two different ways. The first way is to find the unit rate. Let's look at the problem from 4.4 section in the book. You know the price of 6 oranges, but you want to buy 8. You can solve a proportion to find the total cost of the quantity that you want to buy. You can also use unit rate to solve a proportion. First, find the unit rate, then multiply to solve the problem. Okay, so it's telling us the first way to solve this is to use unit rate. If we look at the picture, it costs $2.34 for 6 oranges. Let's find the unit rate first. Remember, money always goes on top. Okay, we can find unit rate two different ways. We can just divide 234 by 6, and we would get 39 cents. Or if you want to set up a proportion, we could do it as 234 for 6 oranges. How many would it be for 1 orange? And then we can cross multiply and divide to get the same answer, which would be 39 cents. So it's 39 cents for 1 orange. Now that we have the unit rate, we can figure out how much it will be for any number of oranges. What if the question says, how much is it for 12 oranges? Well, all we have to do is take 39 cents per orange times 12 oranges, and we would get $4.68 for 12 oranges. If we use this method to solve a proportion, it's actually two different steps, so it might take a little longer. The second way is to set up a proportion and solve it. Do it all really in one big step. So we know it's $2.34 for 6 oranges. And the question asks, how much would it be? That's what we don't know. How much would it be for 12 oranges? Instead of putting the question mark, let's just turn that into our variable. Let's use K. Now all we have to do is set up our cross multiplying and then solve. Okay, if we multiply 6 times K, we're going to get 6K. And if we multiply 12 times $2.34, we're going to get 2808. Here's our equation, but we haven't finished it yet. We can't have K attached to the 6. We have to isolate K or get it by itself. Remember, K doesn't like to be attached to anything when we're solving. So to get rid of the 6, we have to divide by 6. These cancel out and become 1. We don't have to put 1K, we just have to write K. We always assume there's a 1 in front of the K, or the variable. But what we do on the left-hand side, we also have to do on the right-hand side. And we're going to divide 2808 by 6, and we'll get 468. So it's going to cost us $4.68 for 12 oranges. Okay, class, now it's your turn. Come in tomorrow with this question done, and if you have the right answer, you will get a treat from the candy bowl. Postcards cost $2.45 for 5 cards. How much will 13 cards cost? Show all your work to get credit, and you could use either method that we practiced today. See you tomorrow.